Welcome to Top 5 Reviews.
Ten Best Speed Cooking Microwave Ovens of We are going to check out top 10 best speed cooking microwave ovens in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion, and I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this speed cooking microwave ovens, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. So let's get started with the video.
Top 10.
TOSHIBA ML2-EC10SA Countertop Microwave Oven with Inverter Technology, Kitchen Essentials, Smart Sensor, Auto Defrost, 1.6 Cu.ft, 13.6, Removable Turntable, 33 pounds, and 1,350 Cu, Stainless Steel. Sleek design with large capacity. Stylish stainless steel. Color of door frame is stainless steel. Enclosure is black. With timeless design, 13.6 removable turntable fits a 12 pizza. External dimension, Buckstech, 21.8 x 19.2 x 13 inches. Internal dimension, Buckstech, 15.5 x 17 x 10.2 inches.
Top 9.
TOSHIBA ML2-EC10SA BS 8-in-1 countertop microwave with air fryer microwave combo, convection, broil, odor removal, mute function, 12.4 position memory turntable with 1.0 Cu.ft black stainless steel, 8-in-1 multifunctional microwave, one microwave with multifunctions of microwave, air fry, bake, convection, broil, grill, combi, low temp, odor removal, defrost can fulfill more usages. Healthy air fryer microwave combo. Enjoy your wholesome fried food with original taste, but less fat with healthy air fry.
Top 8.
TOSHIBA 3-in-1 EC042 at 5 CS countertop microwave oven. Smart sensor with 13 auto menus, convection, mute function, and ECO mode, 1000 Cu, 1.5 Cu.ft, stainless steel. Stylish stainless steel finish with easy-to-clean stainless steel interior. External dimension, Buckstech, 21.77 x 21.5 x 12.99 inches. Internal dimension, Buckstech, 15.5 x 15.35 x 10.2 inches. Combines microwave and convection cooking in one appliance with auto bake and auto roast menus. Pre-programmed sensor menu for optimum result of popular.
Top 7.
TOSHIBA 6-in-1 Inverter Microwave Oven Air Fryer Combo. Countertop microwave, healthy air fryer, broil, convection, speedy combi, even defrost, 11.3 turntable, eco mode, sound on/off, 27 auto menu. 6-in-1 ultimate versatility. This multi-microwave with 10 power levels is your ultimate kitchen helper. The versatility as a microwave, air fryer, convection oven, broiler, defroster, speedy combi make it your best countertop space saver. Inverter technology for even cooking and defrost. TOSHIBA Origin inverter technology allows more uniform distribution of heat in cavity.
Top 6.
Midea Equipment 1200 watt scanning commercial microwave oven, 1200 Cu, stainless steel, 1217 G1S. Large capacity, 0.6 Cu/17 liters, accommodates a 12, 305 millimeters, platter, oven cavity light to monitor cooking status without opening the door. Scans barcode and cooks automatically. Scanning microwave. Setup oven using PC/Mac instead of scrolling around display. Software included.
Top 5.
Black Plus Decure M044 KB19 over-the-range microwave oven with one touch, 1000 watts, 400 CFM and sensor cooking. OTR 1.9 Cu.ft stainless steel. Pre-programmed auto menus for popcorn, potato, vegetable, pizza, snack, bacon, frozen dinner, rice, and frozen breakfast. 1000 watts with 10 power settings, clock and kitchen timer, 30 seconds express cooking and child lock. Cooktop LED lighting that offers a clear and bright vision for your meals on cooktop.
Top 4.
Equator Combo Microwave Plus Oven-Free Standing / Built-in SS. Microwave Plus OVN. 2-in-1 appliance lets you use it as a microwave, an oven, or a combination of both functions. Auto Cook. Pre-program lets you input the weight and type of food, and the auto function will cook the food by automatically adjusting the power level and time. Memory Turntable allows you to program and save a cooking function.
Top 3.
MWBI-22S built-in 1200 watts with 10 power levels, presettings and express, sensor and speed cooking, and silent mode with glass turntable microwave oven, metallic. 1200 watts of power with 10 power levels and 2.2 Cu.ft. Oven capacity, cook meals with precise control. Built-in design. Designed for countertop use or built-in installation. Includes the trim kit for built-in use. Versatile FUNC features 1 to 6 minute express cook, memory function, preset menus, weight and time defrost, 10 power levels, silent mode, and clock with kitchen timer.
Top 2.
ZLINE30 1.6 cubic feet, built-in convection microwave oven in Durasnauer. Stainless steel with speed and sensor cooking. High-performance technology seamlessly integrated into your cabinets or above a single wall oven. 1000-watt microwave with 11 different power levels. Non-directional Durasno stainless steel is an everlasting finish that is corrosion, smudge, and fingerprint resistant. Enjoy sensor cooking, speed cooking, and multiple auto defrost settings for enhanced cooking and convenience.
Top 1.
ZLINE 30-inch wide, 1.6 cubic feet, built-in convection microwave oven in stainless steel with speed and sensor cooking. Convection and microwave modes. Select from a variety of convection, broil, and microwave cooking settings to provide optimal dish results. High-powered performance. Get the results you need with 10 different power levels and a powerful 1000-watt cooking power. Convenient microwave settings. Achieve optimal performance for every dish with sensor cooking, reheat, defrost, and rapid preheat settings. Included all of the links in the description. You can check out the link for the latest price. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.